Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Dita, Love So Sweet. Now, I know she's a former member of Secret Number, right? Now, correct me if I'm wrong. If ever this gets across to Dita, there was one time I went to Korea to film for Ultimate Bias K-pop Cast. One of my producers wasn't able to make it to Korea, so we had our friend Riley. She had her friends help as well. One person who I thought looked so recognizable, and I was looking at her, I'm like, nah, don't be weird, Dre. You just met this girl. I don't want to be weird. I just want to concentrate on interviewing people. I think that day was so packed too. It was Zikers as well, and I think Dita was there to help. I could be wrong. I think I'm right. She came out with a single music video called Love So Sweet. I think a few of my homies that I know worked on this as well. Oh, these are cherry pie? Okay. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go and let's begin.
Love so sweet, love so sweet, love so sweet.
What's so sweet about love?
You and I got something special.
Period.
Really wanna see it through. You're the magnet, I'm the metal.
Okay.
Never pull away from you.
Okay, period.
I know I can be dramatic. Tell me that you feel it too.
Oh.
Turn me
That you're being
on
dramatic? Or
automatic.
oh.
It's just what you do. Dance with me, feel the 2 and 4.
Oh.
We the only people rocking on the floor.
On the floor?
Show you moves you ain't seen before.
What kind of moves are we talking about?
Taking every step I like. So hot in here, we melt in ice.
Okay.
Come in close now, take a bite. Oh, you want this cherry pie? Certified angel, so divine.
Excuse me?
One day you'll be up all night.
Alright, period.
Oh, you want this cherry pie? Can't resist
I'm more of like a pumpkin pie type of guy, you know, apple. Okay.
and you'll be hooked for life. Love so sweet.
That's an interesting shot through the other camera.
Love so sweet.
Ah.
Love so sweet. Love so sweet. Love so sweet.
Hey. Cherries. Okay, dance break. Hey. Okay, throw it back with it. Throw it back one time. Throw it back one time. What a. Hey. Here we go. Oh. Hey. Oh, I know that dancer also in the blonde hair. Hey. Oh, she look good.
Certified angel, so divine. Just one days you'll be up all night.
Up all night.
Know you want this cherry pie. Can't resist the sugar high. Just one days you'll be up all night.
Hey, say it with your chest.
Love so sweet. You'll be hooked for life.
You be hooked for life.
You'll be hooked for life. Love so sweet.
If I'm not mistaken, you can correct me in the comments. She is Indonesian? Indo? Maybe? I don't know.
Love so sweet. You'll be hooked for life. Love so sweet. You'll be hooked for life.
Oh, she cute. Not the cherry pie on the street. Oh, that's a. Listen, I could have ate that. Fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.